Electric Company Limited is presently the chief Chinese wellspring of ozone generators, disinfection and environmental protection applications, handstayen by a professional R&D team, unique business person, engineer solid group. Ambohr has rich industry experience. We have established long-term and great cooperative relations with well-known domestic and foreign brands and companies, signed a number of OEM, ODM agreements, and developed a number of best-selling products. Main products covering ozone generators, health appliances, water treatment equipment, air purification equipment, industrial environmental protection equipment, oxygen generators, testing instruments, ozone tail gas catalysis, and supporting modules, providing customers with systematic solutions. Ambohr, based on the good product development and quality control systems, our products have passed many international certifications. Exported more than 30 countries and regions such as Germany, Spain, the United States, Canada, Australia, and South Korea. Ambohr, with the mission of developing ozone potential and improving environmental level, adheres to the purpose of focusing on ozone generator and providing health and environmental protection solutions, and actively performs the responsibilities of environmental protection, resource conservation, pollution prevention. Our company has quality testing equipment to strictly control the product quality. Adhering to the business principle of mutual benefits, we have had a reliable reputation among our customers because of our professional services, quality products, and competitive prices. We warmly welcome customers from at home and abroad to cooperate with us for common success.